This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to Fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 16 of building Optimus Prime, lead Transformer. Well, the lead good guy Transformer, but yeah, that's the one everyone roots for, isn't it? Legends of Evil, looking at the history of Transformers. Optimus in Marvel, obviously appeared in comic book format well before anything else, I think. Rodimus Prime, don't know, obviously a precursor to Optimus. By the looks of it, they all got called Prime when they were the leader. That's the way it works. Decepticon Headmasters. Remember those? Obviously, it's a thing. I've got no memory of any of these toys and Transformers at all. Thought I knew all of them, but obviously I only knew of them to begin with. So yes, we're continuing the right leg. We've got lots of parts to put onto this. Put it all together, and then what we're doing, we're building the bit on its own, and then we're adding the wheel to it, and yeah, building onto the parts that we've already got. So I'll have to dig those out. So yeah, let's clear things out of the way. Let's get it built. So we've got the wheel from last time, we've got the leg from the time before. We're going to start getting everything together. But first of all, we've got to build a little bit of this. We're going to be putting the little leg joint through there. Should, I believe, go down a little bit further than that. Come out a little bit further than that, isn't it? Let go down over that. Go down, yeah, there we go. That goes down flush over that, otherwise it wouldn't do up properly. Let's then grab a screwdriver because we need to put these screws with washers over that to hold that in place. You know you want to. We're just about there. Just skirting around the edge of the hole a little bit. There we go. That in there, that one in the other side. I'll get those tightened up in a moment. This then goes into there. That way round. And we have DP screw. We'll go through there and hold that together. A bit like that. I'll get that tightened up as well. That's that there. Then we need one of these HM screws. One of those at the moment, I think. Come on. I know two are going to fall out. There we go. Put one back in. So we need that with one of these little washery things on that, and that will be holding this. Tightened it all up onto here, whereabouts on the inside there. The hook piece that holds that in place. Right there, by the looks of it. Actually, I'll have a closer look and make sure, but I'm pretty sure that's where that's going to go. So I'll get that all tightened up and attached, and then we'll see about the next step. Right, that's that attached on there. This piece then apparently pushes in place. There's 3 pins that have got to line up. That should go in there. Very deeply in there, but it's enough, I'm sure. That's not going anywhere. Then we need to pop the little cover over that bit. It's shaped so it'll only go one way around. It'll only fit in properly one way around, like so. That then needs to go onto there, and a screw will hold that in place. I do like it when pieces all come together. Now these pieces may only be plastic, but they do still look the part. Obviously they're like an armor piece rather than anything that's actually going to hold anything in place. That needs to be tighter than that, because otherwise that's going to wobble. It's not feeling great on there. Let's just go back and double check that I didn't need the other washer. Wouldn't have thought I would, because, you know, it's unusual to not have a spare one. It's almost there. I just... Another little bit of a turn. There we go. That's that on there. This then attaches back over the page again. That way round. Going over the front bit there by the looks of it. Finding it difficult to tell from these pictures exactly where things are going. More a case of looking what, you know, holes line up with where. Got to be there. All lines up with that in there as well, so that's definitely that. Matches up nicely around the outside. There we go, that's that bit. Then this is going to go in the other gap on it. That way around? No, it's definitely that way up, and it's from that side. It goes in that gap there, obviously. You can see exactly where it's going to go. We've got 2 pins to locate in there. That is lovely. It is. It just fits. It just looks right. Although these are plastic, they do still look right. I'm not sure about that. I think that needs to go further in than that then. That's not going to be a big gap down there. This is going to end flush. There we go. Once it's together, you can tell if it's together or not. So there we have that. That's coming together lovely as a leg. Then the wheel pops onto the bit that we've only just attached. The bit that moves. Going to go on there. Like that. I do like that. That is lovely. That is it. Snap it onto the ball. It can be rotated or tilted to the position of your choice. So yeah, that's got some movement to it one way or the other. It doesn't rotate that way, but it hinges down. And obviously, because it's a ball joint, it can be moved a bit one way or the other, every way. Another wheel going to go on there soon, but that is really meeting it up. That's starting to look very leg-like. So I shall keep that and the screws obviously safe for another month, another week, until next time when we come back and see what we're going to be doing next time. I'm pretty sure it's going to be continuing the leg. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're enjoying it. I shall see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.